Let me explain something to you now. You see where you just put on yourself? Just take things to a higher level. High. Above certain people pay grade.
Fully understand, sir.
Great. So now, very good job. Excellent job, Adamai. You want to be a detective sergeant by July?
Absolutely, sir. I'm more than prepared.
Are you also prepared to be a constable walking a beat?
No, sir. That sounds like a demotion. Why would I want a smaller position?
Follow me closely. What you have in your hand is a ticket. It can carry you high or it can carry you low. It depends on if you handle it the way I've told you to. You understand each other?
Yes, sir. Oh, and sir, I plan to take one more leave. I need to visit some family members in the state. So I'm going to send my leave form as soon as I'm finished putting away this file.
Of course, I'll look at it. You do know that we can extradite people from the States, right?
Sir, it's easy, you know. Remember, I'm a part of the force. I know what they can and they can't do. Alright? But good rest of the day, boss.
Same to you, man. When last you talked to Savage?
It's been a while, sir. It's been a long while since,
Okay. Have a good vacation.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Constable. Oh, what a tangled web we weave.
What do you think I want church?
Me too. Well, in did say it was a theater, but them are gonna use it as a church.
So in the
My girl, come on for the people in the stage and stop winding up yourself.
That's your church, isn't it?
Hello, it's a theater me see with big nice stage. My girl, have some reverence, man.
Michelle.
Yes.
I've gotten proof of life, and they said that they want the ransom, and they'll meet us at a location for drop off. Carlton, just make Marcus pay the money. Just please, whenever this is over, we can talk about the situation with Tiffany and you and Marcus. I have been making one mistake after the other.
Sir, we need to talk.
Somebody need to get me a sign that say knock. What are you doing here? You're not supposed to be at home.
Mr. Mullins, is there anything you wanted to say to me?
Me? Say to you. I don't say what I have to say already. What else am I to say? The only thing we could be talking about is a case. Oh yes. You're not an enemy.
Sir, I'm not here about any case. Me and you need to talk.
About what?
Sir, this might seem a little weird, but I've been hearing voices.
At first I thought it was a dream. But it instructed me to talk to you.